Good morning everyone. So today let's have an exercise about the electronic configuration. So as you can see in the video I first sent, there are 3 ways on how to get the electronic configuration of elements. First, you need to identify their location. So when we say we need to identify their location, you need to understand that the location of your elements differ on the different number of levels or primary levels that they have. So when we say the primary levels, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Their location on their sub-levels, the SPDF, and also the number of valence electrons that they have. Okay, so first let's have an example. Si H up to here, anong level yan? Anong sub-level yan? This is S sub-level. Okay, kasama niya si helium. S sub-level sila ha. And then we have here, this is a P sub-level. And then dito, this is D sub-level. And then this one, the F sub-level. So kung titignan mo, from H to francium, this is 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s. Okay? Next, from beryllium to radium, this is, okay, kapag 1s, syempre, katapat niya si helium. So, si helium, 1s2 po siya. Okay? 1s2. And then, si beryllium, 2s2. Okay. Si lithium, 2s1. Si beryllium, 2s2. Si sodium, 3s1. Si magnesium, 3s2. Nakikita nyo po ba? Next, we have potassium, 4s1. Calcium, 4s2. Okay. I-crop muna natin tong picture para mas madaling matingnan. Wait lang. Ay, sorry. Hindi pala pwedeng i-crop. Yun. Okay, yan. Ito po. Okay. So, ang sinasabi ko kanina, depende po yan sa location niya. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, lahat ito S, diba? 5, 6, 7. So, lahat yan S. So, ito, kasama niya may helium dito. So, 1s, si hydrogen is 1s. 1s1. Si helium naman, 1s2. Bakit? Kasi number 1, 1 ang valence electron ng hydrogen. Si helium, number 2, 2 naman ang valence electron niya. Si lithium, 2s2. Si beryllium, si lithium rather, 2s1. Si beryllium, 2s2. Si sodium, 3s1. Si magnesium, 3s2. Si potassium, 4s1. Si calcium, 4s2. Tama. Si rubidium, 5s1. And then si strontium, 5s2. Si cesium, 6s1. Si barium, 6s2. Si francium, 7s1. Si radium, 7s2. Nakikita po ba? So if someone will ask you what element has an electronic configuration of 7s2, ang unang titignan mo 7. Anong period? Nasa 7. Anong sub-level? Nasa 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, dito banda. And then S, ay dito. S daw. So itong group na to. Okay? Itong group na to kasi S daw. And then, what valence electron? 2. Ibibilangin mo na. 1, 2. Okay? So, automatic that the element is radium. Naiintindihan po ba? Okay? Radium. Alright. So, I think naintindihan nyo yan. Let's go to the other groups. So, sorry. Okay. let's have this one. Sa S, so we have S. Dito naman, let's go to P. So, let's grab. To, P naman tayo. Huwag mo na isasama yung helium kasi naisama mo yan sa S kanina. Alright? So, let's go to the p orbital. When we say p orbital, this is the p sublevel. So, ilan ba yung electrons ng p? Remember, kapag S, dalawa lang po. Kapag P, 6. Kapag D, 10. And then F is 14 electrons. So, more likely that p orbital have 6. No wonder if you're going to count the number of elements that is in rows, here is also 6. Like for example, okay, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, nakikita po ba? 6 elements po yan. Alright? 6 elements po. And hindi po sila nag-i-start sa 1. Remember, kasi dito kanina, kung babalikan po natin yung picture, may helium po dito sa taas niya. Helium. And helium, ito na yung first element, first na row kasi. And remember, second row na po tayo. Kaya, second column, kaya ang gagawin po natin, your P starts with 2P, 3P, 4P, 5P, 6P, and then 7P. Okay? 2P, 3P, 4P, 5P, 6P, 7P. So, the same process lang gaya kanina. Ang ginamit natin is the number, kung ikailan. So, kung tatanungin nila, what element has an electronic configuration of 5p4? Madali mo na lang titignan. Saan ba yung 5p4? 2, 3, 4, 5. Ay, dito. Dito daw banda. Ano yung 4? 5p1, 5p2, 5p3, 5p4. So, what element is 5p4? That is tellurium. Okay? Tellurium. And how many valence electron does tellurium have? Okay, 4. 4 valence electron. O, diba? Ang dali po. What element has an electronic configuration of 6p2? O, diba? 6p1, 6p2. O, what element? It's lead. Okay. Lead or pluvium. Yan. So, pluvium, what is the valence electron? Pluvium has 2 valence electron. Okay, di ba? Ang dali-dali naman. Alright. Let's move sa next one. Sa D orbital na tayo. Let's go to D orbital. Okay, let's add more image. Okay, let's crop this one. So, ang D orbital, this is the group of the transition metals. So, po kayong magtataka kung bakit puro metals ito, because this is the group of transition metals. At ang D orbital, nag-i-extend po siya dito sa lanthanide, yung dalawang part. Sige, i-crop na lang natin mamaya. Okay. So, add more image. Ay, sorry. Ito pala. Okay. Here. So, ito, si lanthanide and si actinide. Kasi sila yung part dito. Okay, yan po si lanthanide and actinide po natin. Usin natin. Okay. Hindi yata na-crop ng maayos. Ayan. Okay po. So, let's have the D orbital. So, kapag D, 10 sila. So, huwag na kayong magtataka kung bakit 10 ang hilera ng transition metals natin. Because, this is 3D, 4D, 5D, and then 6D. So, ma'am, bakit D? Kasi remember, si beryllium nandito, and then hydrogen is in this. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3 na siya. Ika-3 na column na siya. Alright? So, kung titignan natin, there are 10 elements here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, kung gagawin mo yan, scandium is 3D1, 3D2, 3D3, palitan natin ng color. Ay, joke. 3D3, yan. 3D3, 3D4, 3D5, 3D6, 3D7, 3D8, 3D9, 3D10. So, the same goes here. What element has an electronic configuration of 6D4? Okay, makikita mo na, nandito yung 6. D4, D1, D2, D3, D4. So, what element? It's C, boron. The element C, boron, has an electronic configuration of 6D4. And what is the valence electron? 4 valence electron. What is the main energy level? 6. What is the sub-level? It's D. Okay. Ganyan po magkaroon ng pinakasimple. This is the simplest method actually of doing electronic configuration. Alright? Also have the F sub-level. So, F, sabi natin kanina, there are 14 valence electron kapag F ang pinag-uusapan. And then, may dalawang primary level lang dyan. We have the 4F and then the 5F. Okay? The 4F and then the 5F. So, kung tatanungin sa'yo, what element has an electronic configuration of 4F14. Okay, titingnan mo na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, 4F14 is lithium and the electronic configuration is 4F14. The principal level is 4. The sub-level is F. Okay? So, ganun po. What about 5F6? Okay, 5F6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 5F6 is americium. And americium is, the principal level is 5. The sub-level is F. Alright? Nakuha po ba? And then, the valence electron is 6. Okay. Ganyan lang po magkaroon na ay maglagay ng periodic ay ng electronic configuration rather. Okay. So the next step that we're going to use is through the old method wherein we will use the so-called electron configuration mnemonic device. So sa mga nag-attend po ng class natin before, I have introduced this electron configuration mnemonic device already. Pero sa mga hindi po naka-attend, let's try to use this one. Ay, sulat-sulat pa. Okay. So, this is the electronic configuration mnemonic device. So, kung nakikita nyo, ginawa namin siyang Christmas tree before. Yan na lang yung parang pinakamadaling way for you to understand it better. So, we have here 1S. So, we have here 1S. After 1S, 2S, 2P, 3S, then 3P, 4S, and then so on and so forth. So, ganito lang yung direction niya. Okay, ganyan lang po. That's what you need to follow when using this mnemonic device. Okay? So, kung gagawa naman kayo ng sarili ninyong mnemonic device, isulat nyo lang lahat. 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S, 5S, 6S, 7S. And then, 2P, 3P, 4P, 5P, 6P, 7P. And then, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. Okay, wala nang 7D ha. And then, 4F and then 5F. Okay. So, kung ito-drawing na po natin yan, let's draw. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 8. So, pwede ka na ring mag-draw ng Christmas tree dito. Ayan. Ay, pangit. Pwede ka na ring mag-draw ng Christmas tree. Then, maglagay ka ng gift dyan kung gusto mo. Para maalala mo lang. Alright? So, this is the electronic configuration mnemonic device. So, electronic configuration mnemonic device. So, kailangan mo ito when you have to make a configuration of elements. So, let's try this electronic configuration mnemonic device by having the electronic configuration of silicon. Silicon is 14. So, silicon 14. So, ang rule kasi nitong electronic configuration mnemonic device is just to get the number of valence electron and kung gaano ba ka-disperse yung electron doon sa silicon 14. Okay, let's try it. 1s2. Bakit 2? Kasi ito yung kaya niyang i-carry na electron. Kapag S kasi, di ba sinabi ko na sa video kanina, kapag S, 2. Kapag P, 6. Kapag D, 10. And then kapag F, 14. 1s2. And then susunod is 2s2. And then susunod, 2p6. And then 3s2. And then anong susunod? Tignan mo na. 2, 4, plus 6, 10, plus 2, 12 na yan. Ilan ba to? 14. So, kailangan mo is 3p2. 14. Tama? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10. 2 plus 2, 4. So, we have 14 electrons. Okay? What is the main energy level? Main energy level is 3. Sub-level, p orbital, valence electron is 2. And then, okay, yan po. Alright? So, kung titignan mo, 2p, 3p, 1, 2. Tama! Okay. So, that's how simple we do the electronic configuration using the mnemonic device. So, wag ka lang dapat malito. You just have to follow the correct order. So, ganyan lang yan. Huwag kayong magja-jump from here, nagkas-J kayo, kasi wrong na. Wrongness na sis, okay? Wrong na kapag ganon. So, dapat you follow the correct order of your mnemonic device. Okay, so the last step in finding the electronic configuration of your elements is by using the so-called the noble gases. Bakit ba sila tinawag na noble gases? Okay? Noble gases. First, they are called noble gases because they are stable atoms. So, hindi na sila pwedeng makipag-bind sa iba. Hindi na sila pwedeng makipag-grupo sa iba. It's because they are having, okay, tignan mo dito, 8A. Kasi ang number of electrons na nila is 8 electrons and they satisfy already the octet rule. So, this octet rule, pag-uusapan po natin ito when we go to binding of elements. So, we will talk about ionic binding and then the covalent binding. Okay? Covalent bonding. Alright? So, pag-usapan na po natin on how we're going to put or how are we going to write electronic configuration using the noble gases. So, let's have an example. Ito muna. Pinakamadali, magnesium. Okay, let's make it easier for now. Okay, magnesium. And then, magnesium. Ay, except kung dito except helium. Okay, except helium. So, your noble gases includes neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and then the very new one, the oganesson. Okay, let's try to look for the magnesium, the electronic configuration of magnesium. Kung titignan mo, ang magnesium is 12. And ano ang pinakamalapit before magnesium? Okay, before. Tandaan nyo kapag sumusulat kayo ng electronic configuration, it must be before. Okay? It must be before the element. So, neon. Neon ba? Yun yung mas mababa eh. Kasi 12 ang magnesium. So, alin sa mga ito, sa mga numbers na yan, ang mas mababa sa 12? So, natural, we have 10. So, ang gagawin mo, okay, you put this sign, you write neon. Because automatically, neon is 2p6. Right? 2p6. So, neon is 2p6. So, ilan pa ba ang dadagdag natin for us to get 12. Tama. Ilan pa bang idadagdag natin for us to get 12? So, kung titignan mo dito, 2p6 kasi, balik tayo dito. 1s2. So, 2 na yan. 2s2. 2 na rin. 2p6. So, ilan na? 10 na. So, ilan ang idadagdag mo? 2p6, may 10 na elements na dyan. Ay, may 10 na electrons na dito. So, bago mo ma-reach ito. So, we have here, di ba sabi natin, 1s, 2s, 3s. 3s1, 3s2. So, ang idadagdag mo ay 3s2. So, kung may 10 dyan, plus may 2 dito, ilan lahat yan? 12 po. Paano mo nalaman yung 10? Ito siya, 10. Okay? 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Magnesium 12, magnesium 12. Tama ba? Is it the same? Yes. Okay, let's try another example. Ito, tungsten 74. Okay, what is the noble gas before? Okay, before tungsten. So, 74, automatically, si Xe na yan. So, Xe, xenon. Okay, we have tungsten 74, we have xenon. Okay, ilan ba ang xenon? 54. Okay, tignan mo, ang xenon kasi 2p1, 2p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p. So, this is 5p6. Balik tayo dito. 5p6. Ito siya. So, ang susunod is 6s na agad. Tama. Okay, 5p6, 6s na po tayo. Okay, we have 6s2. Okay, ito siya, 6s2. And then, ang susunod is 6s. And then, is it 3, 4, 5d. Tama? Okay, sorry. We have 4f, 14. Okay, ito pa muna. 4f14. Oo, kasi dito pala tayo. Katuloy niya yan. Okay. Okay, we have 4F14. Tapos anong susunod dito? 5D. And then 5D. 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5D, bilangin na natin kung ilan. Diba? 54, 55, 56. Okay, 56 plus 14 ba? 70. So, ilan pang idadagdag natin for us to reach 4? We have 74. So, we will add 4. Tama ba? 5D1, 5D2, 5D3, 5D4. Okay, then we get the correct answer. So, ganyan lang po kadali. You just have to look for the noble gas before. Tandaan nyo how before, not after. Alright, so again, if you have questions, you may PM me.